Final call for boarding. Final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers. Last remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight PR209 bound for Melbourne.